Why would a legendary hitman like John Wick choose a pistol like the HK-P30L? This isn't just for style, though the custom compensator definitely helps the look. The P30L is built for reliability. It's HK tough, meaning it can take a beating and still run flawlessly. Its longer slide improves accuracy and recoil control, critical for someone who double taps like it's second nature. And in the hands of someone like Wick, every shot counts. Every reload is a dance. The P30L isn't just a movie prop. It's a symbol of precision, control, and cold efficiency. Just like Baba Yaga himself.